shoes on. Lincoln. Go get 2 shoes that match. Lincoln, come and get 2 shoes that match. Go get 2 shoes that match. Go. Go.
This morning, yesterday we at Bear Lake, we made a plan that today, us 3 boys and maybe Olivia, I don't know, she's coming. We're gonna go back to school shopping, and I was looking forward to get some shoes, a new sweat outfit, and some new hats, and maybe something else. I don't know. We're going to Al's, Kohl's, and maybe Walmart to find some stuff. And we gotta get all the pencils and stuff, and yeah, backpack. Well, I don't know. Mom said I could maybe get another one. I already have one that's in perfectly good shape. And same with Boston. I love my new backpack though. This is my backpack. As you can see, it's a Puma. Well, however you say it. But one thing I love about my backpack is that all my cool keychains. There's something called Shrinkadinks, and they're super cool. Well, let me focus on them. They're called Shrinkadinks. They're amazing. And I drew a Lamborghini. You can't really see it as well in the camera. And I have another one I made with a 3D printer. This one I can't remember where I got this one.
So what I'm excited for is to get a backpack. I still don't have one, so I'm excited to see what the stores have. And my water bottle. I have an infuser. We got a top for it, but then that one broke, and so we got another one, and it broke again. And so we're like, oh, we'll just get like a Hydro Floss top to fit on top. That's what my friend does. So we're bringing it to size it and put it on. I love carry-ons. Okay, well, excited to go shopping.
This boy is so excited for back to school. Like, when have you ever seen him this excited? He's so cute. Okay, I'm not even gonna finish getting ready because he's too excited. It's already 11:30 and I'm like, okay, we have other things.
At 9 and now she's like,
No, I have been working in between getting ready and it's been taking time, and I'm just like, guys, I honestly don't know what I think about these things. I feel like I look like the 80s.
Hey, that is coming back in style though. Like everything from the past is coming back.
Here's the thing. Yeah, you are right. Here's the thing. When I see girls with this hairstyle that looks just like this, I freaking love it. But when I look at myself, I'm like, yay. Anyway, okay, go get in the Suburban. We are ready to go. I came over to show you guys Joel's workstation for the morning. Lady is as happy as can be. Joel is as happy as can be. He's in a hoodie with a blanket. That just tells you guys that it's starting to get cold. The weather changes so fast. It's only 59 degrees outside, but it's fine. We're gonna go back to school shopping. Our valley that we live in has, the kids told you, the stores they told you, that's it. That's all we got. So we're just gonna go see what the stores have, and then I think the plan is to come home and do a bunch of online shopping, but it's exciting to go into town. That's like Joel and our parents always took us back to school shopping. They were really good about it. Both of our parents, like we both always had what we needed for school. And like I really appreciate that about both of our parents. They were really good to us that way. I'm not gonna do like full, I'm like rooting through my purse real quick to make sure I've got like the cards and stuff that I need. We're only going to get like maybe 1 or 2 back to school outfits just so they feel like they have something fresh to wear. But then I plan on doing like fall clothing because the weather is changing really fast, you know? That's the plan. That's kind of how I do things. Don't go on that side of the Suburban. You'll smack it into the
I know how far I could go.
Garage. No, please do not do that.
Okay.
Please do not do that. Lincoln, sit down and get your seatbelt on. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 1:15.
That's when it's done.
Oh no, your alarm is voice lessons. Because Olivia has voice lessons and we do not want to forget them. And then we'll come home, do some like online stuff, and then we'll go back out. Like we'll go back out. Lincoln, sit down, get your seatbelt on.
Maybe.
Okay, let's go.
I can't do it.
Okay. What is really weird is Olivia doesn't shop in the little kids section anymore, so
I have to like separate.
I kind of do, like.
No, you don't. You are totally in the kids section still.
He's like home.
Kind of. I don't know.
I love you. Okay, you just look around. You know where we are. Come find us, but you can just like search, and if you see anything that's cute, Just grab it and then we'll converse later. Okay. Is that what you want for your birthday? Okay. My kids wanted to show me a game that they made up or that they just learned. It's a new game. Little do they know I'm gonna cream them tonight at this game. What is that one thing you guys keep saying about burger? Crown burger?
Burger Clown.
Burger Clown. Okay. Is that from the same movie that you guys are okay, what show do you guys keep quoting?
It's called Big City Greens.
It is very funny. It's like The Simpsons but clean, so your kids can watch it.
Very clean.
Is it? Okay.
Yes.
Alright, well.
But their grandma's the devil.
Oh Siri, you never let me down, do you?
Did I get anything else?
No, so Cody got one thing, let's see. So he got one shirt.
I like it. I really like it.
We couldn't find like matching sets.
There's like, everything's like, sure, the only thing that was matching, like that came in a full outfit was Lincoln's, but it was like, the shirt, the hoodie was kind of cool, but then the pants.
Yeah,
Guess
we're
what
not.
I got? A dookie.
Okay.
Guess what I got? Shoes.
No, oh wait, we gotta show them how cool his new shoes are. Those are Lincoln's. So the rule is you can't wear your new clothes until school starts.
Can I wear one of my back to school outfits on the day of school?
Yes, of course. Yeah, yep. Okay, Olivia, show me what you got.
We did, every year we always get like a Levi jacket because they're super cute. So we got this Levi jacket.
Yes, we did.
And then I picked out this skirt.
Yep. And so she thought that would be cute to wear with her white tennis shoes. And so we should probably find you a white tee. So this is the set that Lincoln
This is what I was
got.
gonna get, but then the pants, if you see them.
Yeah, those.
Oh yeah, so Cody doesn't like the way that the bottoms fit on those.
So you can't buy them separate.
Yeah.
I was gonna get a
So
green
Lincoln got that set right there. So, okay, so Olivia, you're gonna do voice lessons and then we'll all go back out again together. You guys remember earlier when I told Lincoln to not wear two different shoes? We went back home while Olivia did her voice lessons and here we are. Like, here we are. What, and why? What and why? And how? I'm kind of getting to the point where I'm like, okay, I went through, everyone has shoes. We just ordered Cody some shoes. They didn't have a size, so we just ordered them on my phone. And then everyone has a backpack now.
You need to order these things.
And I already ordered the jackets because they didn't have the size.
These are waterproof jackets and
They
awesome.
are.
That's why I like this one and it's so cute.
It is so cute. Hers is a little big for her, but we're gonna make it work because she likes it so much.
And we got a backpack.
Yes. Now we're gonna go to Walmart. We're having a hard time finding like a matching set, like with the top and the bottom, and just genuinely and a plain white t-shirt for Olivia. And so we are gonna go to Walmart and we're going to figure, because Walmart always has like the good matching sets. So we're gonna go to Walmart, get like pencils,
We could go to the mall.
whatever,
too.
like all those kind of things. Okay.
Talk to my watermelon.
I'm getting a little tired. Okay. Okay. Bossy, come here. We have one thing left and we will be ready for school. We've got some like basics from Walmart and Olivia, here, let's show the ones that you picked out, show them. Olivia came trotting back to the cart with these cuties. So she's got some fresh nails for school. The only thing that we have left to do is we're gonna get online and see if we can't find something for Boston real quick.
Can I show them my stuff?
We already showed them those. So go hang them in your closet and you can't wear them until school starts. Joel is finishing up some editing that he's doing and we're going to have eggs and eggs full of vegetables basically is what we're gonna do. So I've got some spinach, we have some leftover mushrooms, which my kids love.
Actually,
Yeah. Actually, we hate them. Yes, I'm aware. Ooh, and we have some leftover chorizo too. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Some chorizo, vegetables, and then we're gonna top it with avocado and fresh pico. So that's what we're doing for dinner. I think we're gonna call it a vlog. I think we're gonna end the vlog here. I feel spent. Thanks for back to school shopping with us. We hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and we'll see you guys in our next one. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.